Students, today we are going to see about making sounds and noise. In the ancient times, what the person were doing? They were calling each other with the help of that sound, and with the sound they can go till that person also. So, in the ancient times, the people were doing like that. If you want to call the person, they were making the noise. In the last section, what we have seen, we have seen about the pleasant and unpleasant sound. Pleasant sound means it cannot hurt our ears. Means it is very nice to listen the sound. Means like birds are singing, chirping. So it is very nice to hear. But if the loud sound is there, so it is unpleasant. Unpleasant means it can hurt our ears also. Okay, students. So in that what we have seen, loud means unpleasant and unwanted sound hurt our ears. It can hurt our ears, but pleasant sound, if there it is, so it cannot hurt our ears. It is very nice to hear also. Means can damage our ears also. Means we can be deaf also. So we have to be careful about our ears, and we have to also do what things. These things we have to do. With the help of that we can we cannot our ears will be also very nice to hear the sounds. Okay, so see, first, do not play loud music. We have to not play loud music. If you will do the loud music, so what other will also be hurt their ears also, and we also will be hurt our ears. Okay, so see the next one. Do not shout in person's ears. If somebody is there, means your grandma, grandpa, if somebody is there, so you must not go till their ears, and you should not shout. So if they will hurt, so they will be means it will hurt their ears also, and it will hurt their mind also, because ears and mind is the same. Means if ears also will hurt, it can go to our minds. Means our body is connected with this mind also, so they can hurt the ears also. Okay, do not honk or ring bell if not required. If somebody went to others house, so don't need to, if somebody is outside only, so don't need to ring the bell or honk the bell. So what we should do, we should not ring the bell. If he is outside, so you can go and you can sit there in the house also. But if somebody is not there, it is not useful. It is not if he is not outside or the door is open, so you can go directly. You don't make the noise, because they will also hurt. If they will say that it is open only, you can come, so it will be hurt their ears also. So you don't ring the bell if it is required, so you can ring the bell. If it is not required, you don't ring the bell. Okay, so burst, burst less crackers during celebration. Means now Diwali is coming, so you don't play with that much crackers. So only which have the sound small. So you take that crackers only. Don't hurt others also, and don't hurt to you also, because if you will hurt yourself, so it will be hurt for you only. So it is not good. So you have to take only small crackers. Don't play with big crackers. Okay. So these are the points. With the help of that we can be careful in other things. Okay. Thank you.